In this video, I'll show you how to reset DNS on PlayStation 5. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, DNS stands for a domain name system. It is like the internet's phone book. It translates human readable domain names like, PlayStation.com into numerical numbers like an IP addresses. Say, for example, PlayStation.com could translate as 192.168.11. So the computer use that numerical numbers to communicate with each other. Now, changing DNS on your PlayStation 5 could be beneficial for a lot of reasons. Because number one, for performance capabilities, using a faster DNS server can potentially speed up your internet connection, reducing latency when accessing online games, streaming content, or even downloading updates on your PS5. All right, now how do we change our DNS settings on the PS5? All right, simply here, all you're gonna do all right, now go to network here on your PlayStation 5. Select the network and press X to bring up the pop-up menu right here. And choose the advanced setting. Now on the advanced settings, you can choose DNS and select manual from the pop-up menu because it would show two additional fields, primary and secondary DNS. And you need to add two different DNS and primary DNS and secondary DNS fields. And you just have to enter the DNS of your choice and press OK. Alright, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.